Row Zero makes it easy to connect Athena to a powerful spreadsheet designed for big data. To connect to Athena, I'll go to the data icon in the top right and add connection. I'll select Athena as my connection type, and I'll need to fill in these connection details, which I can find by using our Athena guide. First, I need to create an AWS bucket for Athena to write results, which Row Zero will read, and it needs to be in the same account and region that Athena is running in and have this naming pattern. There's some screenshots and instructions for how to do that. Next, I need to create an AWS role that can execute queries against Athena tables and write results to the bucket above. And it must have a trust policy that allows the Row Zero account, which is this right here, to use the role using the connection-specific external ID that is provided on the previous screen. So if I go back here, get my external ID, and that's what I use in my trust policy. From here, I have the details I need to create my Athena connection, so I can enter them in here and then hit test connection. As long as I get a green light, I'm good to go, and I can create my connection. Once I've created my connection, I can insert a connected table by clicking the plus sign next to my Athena connection. I'll select my data source and database. Write a simple select star statement, hit run, and this is going to query Athena and import a dataset of 7.2 million US flights. There's one row for each flight in the US for 1 year. Row Zero easily imports millions of rows of data on a free plan and can support billion row datasets on enterprise plans. The data is going to import into a connected table over here, and this includes all of the imported data in a condensed view and can be refreshed to pull in the latest data. From here, Row Zero works like Excel and Google Sheets. I can filter and sort. I can write Excel compatible formulas. So for example, I can count if flights are delayed at least 5 minutes. I can also do pivot tables and charts. So I'll do a quick pivot table. Just drop it down here. And I'm going to look at the average flight delay by month. So select month is my date aggregation. Pull delay over to values, select average, and I can format this and chart it quick. And even though there's 7 million rows of data here, everything is super fast. At any time, I can come up to my connected table, double click, and I can rerun for the latest data. I can also schedule auto updates. Let's say I want this to update every day at 5 a.m. I can easily do that. And then everything I build on top of my connected table, my pivot tables, my charts, my calculations, those will all automatically update in sync with my new data. So as you can see, Row Zero makes it very easy to connect to Athena and build out big dynamic spreadsheets. You can try Row Zero for free at rowzero.io and see why Row Zero is the best spreadsheet for big data.